Hello and welcome back once again to Steven Sir Makes It Easy, where me, Steven Sir, tries to make your life a little bit more simpler with concepts concerning accountancy and finance. Before I get started with the task for the day, very quickly a few reminders. You can connect with us on our Facebook page, our Instagram ID, as well as the Twitter handle. And the most important one is the Telegram channel given above. If you have not installed Telegram on your mobile phone and you are a subscriber of the channel, it's my request, please get connected to the Telegram channel above, join it, so that this particular Telegram channel is used for official communication, to inform you, to update you about the lectures that will be premiered the next day, as well as the most important thing, the PDF of the question and answer, whatever is coached and tutored on this particular platform, will be shared at the end of that particular chapter, so that you can download it and use it for your future reference basis. Also, if you do intend to purchase the textbook from which the necessary questions are explained during the various lectures, the purchase link is provided in the description of every lecture. And most importantly, if you have missed out the past tense, that is the last lecture, there is an I button given above. Please click it, watch that particular lecture, and then you can come here. Very importantly, at the end is, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do make that a task for the day and subscribe to our channel, and together with that also press the bell icon so that Mr. YouTube notifies you about lectures which are uploaded on this particular platform. That's as far as the reminders are concerned. Let me get started with today's lecture. Advertisement. Now it is P&L, but there is this 2 years given. So the question mark is, hey, what is 2 years, my dear? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 10 months, 8 months, 15 months, 18 months. All of this is a daya. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. हाँ, so there is a hidden adjustment. Therefore, एक लाइन खाली रखना. एडवर्टाइजमेंट, इसमें एक हिडन एडजस्टमेंट है, तो एक लाइन खाली रखना. लीव वन लाइन. 4000. देर इज अ हिडन एडजस्टमेंट. कौन सा? अरे एडवर्टाइजमेंट. इट सेज इन ब्रैकेट 2 years and it doesn't say anything else. So what should I do? हिंदी का मुहावरा. What? Not दया कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. ओके, not that more. समझदार को इशारा काफ़ी है. So if I ask you a question, do you consider yourself to be समझदार? Okay, don't say no sir, I don't consider. नहीं, everybody, all of you are very very understanding. समझदार. अच्छा, what's that giving an इशारा? 2 years. What does that mean? Your final accounts is not for 2 years. It's never for 2 years. It's always for 1 year. So इसका मतलब क्या है? No problems. You didn't understand. I am the teacher. I have to explain. So मतलब ऐसा है, hidden adjustment on advertisement. अगर आप 1 साल से ज़्यादा कोई भी खर्चा करो, मतलब 12 महीने से ज़्यादा, तो वो हमेशा पेड इन एडवांस मतलब प्रीपेड होता है. पेड इन एडवांस मतलब प्रीपेड. सो द इशारा इज, दिस इज अ प्रीपेड एक्सपेंस. ओके, अगर ये समझ में आया कि अच्छा ये पहले ही दे दिया, 2 साल मतलब 1 साल एक्स्ट्रा, 1 साल एक्स्ट्रा दे दिया हमने. ओके, मे बी कोई अच्छा ऑफर चलता रहेगा, इसके लिए मैंने एडवांस पहले ही दे दिया. एग्जाम्पल, मेरे घर पे एट माई रेसिडेंस, ओके, देर इज़ अ वाटर प्योरीफायर दैट हैज़ टू बी मेंटेन्ड, बट इन दैट देर आर 2 सिलेंडर्स जिसमें उसका प्योरीफिकेशन होता है. सो द सेल्समैन जो आया था उसका रिपेयर करने के लिए, ही टोल्ड मी सर देर इज़ एन ऑफर, इट्स कॉल्ड एज एन AMC, एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. ही सेइंग सर, इफ यू पे फॉर 1 year, so we will come after every 4 months, we will clean this, and if any part is spoiled, we will replace it for you, you don't have to pay. I'm like, okay, but what if I don't take this AMC and I don't pay you anything? And he's saying, sir, then if a part gets spoiled, then you've got to pay around 800 for the service and the part. If it gets spoiled 2 times, you have to pay it every time. I'm like, okay, so that means I will end up doing a lot more kharcha if this parts of my water purifier क्या हो जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा. तो I'm like, अच्छा, how much is your AMC? He said, sir, for 1 year you give us 600 rupees. I'm like, okay, that means in 600, if something gets spoiled, they will free of cost. So I paid for the next 1 year. ऐसे पार्ट खराब होगा, उसका पैसा भी दो, सर्विस का भी दो, 2 बार खराब होगा, डबल टाइम पैसा दो, कौन करेगा? 600 रुपया दे दो. हाँ, सो नाउ आई एम टेंशन फ्री फॉर 1 ईयर. तुम स्टीवन सर के घर पे आएगा, तुमको शुद्ध पानी मिलेगा एटलीस्ट फॉर 1 ईयर. हाँ, सो प्रीपेड, हाउ डू यू फाइंड दिस? देखो, दे हैव गिवन 2 साल का 4000 कहाँ पे? अरे क्वेश्चन में 2 years 4000. So what do I want to find? I want to find they have paid 1 year extra. 1 year. In 2 years, 1 year is okay. The other year is extra. So I want to find 1 year का कितना वो extra है, वो prepaid है. What do I do? Cross multiplication. How do I do it? 1 into and divide by. You get 2000. So I repeat, this is a hidden adjustment. I have previously done a problem where I spoke about this in months, but then the moment you cross 1 year, 12 months, whether it is 3-4 years, whether it is 15-16 months, always prepaid and maximum times cross multiplication. So 2000 is prepaid advertisement, and if I'm not wrong, there it goes, minus prepaid advertisement. That's just to highlight where did I write it, otherwise no, some of you will be searching. Outer column में 2000, and the second effect, like I said ना, स्टीवन सर के घर पे आओ, 1 साल तक शुद्ध पानी, क्योंकि वो रिपेयर्ड है, हमेशा खराब भी हो जाएगा तो वो रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. So no tension for 1 year. शुद्ध बिस्लेरी पानी, prepaid advertisement here, 2000. Okay, hoping everything that has been taught to you a few minutes back or maybe an hour back, depend upon what kind of a problem was solved, is understood by you. That is the main thing. मेरा teaching यहाँ पे थोड़ा less important है, आपका understanding यहाँ पे प्राइमरी टास्क है, जिसके लिए अगर कोई चीज आपको नहीं समझ में आई है, डेफिनेटली कमेंट बॉक्स में उसको लिख लेना. प्लीज मेंशन योर डाउट्स इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, बिकॉज योर डाउट समटाइम्स इज नॉट योर डाउट, इट इज अ मल्टीपल डाउट, एंड इन द अपकमिंग लेक्चर आई विल इनकॉर्पोरेट इट एंड आई विल रिपीट इट वंस अगेन. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इन रिपीटिंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन वंस अगेन. अगर पहले टाइम पे कील पे हथौड़ा मार के वो जाता नहीं है, दूसरे अटेम्प्ट में चला जाएगा, तीसरे अटेम्प्ट में चला जाएगा. ऑल्सो अ रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, एंड प्लीज, जैसे पेंडेमिक फैला है ना, दैट इज द रॉन्ग थिंग फैलने के लिए, हमारे चैनल के इन्फॉर्मेशन को डेफिनेटली स्प्रेड कर लेना थ्रू योर वेरियस सोशल मीडिया कॉन्टैक्ट्स. ओके, आई होप you have a wonderful day. Okay, have God bless each and everyone. Great day ahead. Bye for now.